Family Math number 80.
80 is going to be a very special Father's Day family math. So today we're going to learn about
Gravity.
gravity. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you understand the gravity of the situation? Okay. So there's two people who are really famous for teaching us about gravity. The first person's Newton, and we're going to do exactly what he did to learn about gravity. Have you ever heard of Newton before?
Yeah.
What's his first name?
Isaac.
Very good. So he wrote down an equation that says force equals g m1 m2 over r squared. G is just some number,
The gravity.
the gravity number. Mass times mass over the distance, r squared. So it says two bodies, you figure out how much gravitational force is between them by figuring out what their mass is and how far away they are. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
And he discovered this equation. We'll go explore that in a second. Then Einstein came along later in the early 1900s and wrote down this field equation. It's really complicated. GUV equals lambda GUV 8 pi, or plus lambda GUV equals 8 pi over c to the fourth g TUV. What? I bet he was pretty smart.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not going to study this one.
No.
Maybe next week. Okay, so you ready to do what Newton did to learn about gravity?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've gone outside and we've even brought the math dog, although she might not be on camera. And we're just standing under an apple tree. This is how Newton learned about gravity. Are you learning about gravity?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you feel like you understand gravity now?
Yeah.
Really?
Are we gonna stand here until an apple falls on our head?
Yeah, that's what Newton did. This might be a long time. Should we go back inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so now here's what we're going to do for our little experiment to learn about gravity. We're going to roll a tennis ball off of the roof. And our roof just looks like this. Right, maybe has a little bit of an overhang. And that ball is going to roll down the roof. And what do you think? Can you draw for me what you think it's going to look like once the ball gets to the edge of the roof? What's it going to do?
Well, it's probably gonna arc a bit, then fall down.
Fall down, very good. So it's going to come out and it's going to fall a little bit away from the roof. But if we extend the roof, and I have it set up with a ladder that extends out here, like this, so it'd be a straight line coming from the roof, do you ever think we could get the ball to go all the way and reach where the edge of the ladder is, or do you think it's going to fall?
I think we could.
Okay, like if we started way high up on the roof?
Maybe.
Maybe, so what do you think, how fast do you think the ball is going to have to be going to just, when it gets off the roof, go straight, like as if it's going right down the ladder?
Escape velocity.
Really fast? Okay, so let's go do an experiment. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the ball close to the edge of the roof, a little bit up the roof, and then farther up the roof, and we're going to see how far away it lands.
Cool.
And hopefully we'll see the ball coming off the roof and falling down kind of in a little curve.
Yeah.
Okay, sound like fun?
Yeah.
That's going to help us learn a little bit about gravity. All right, ready? High five. Let's go do that. Okay, here we go. Here's our little experiment. We're going to roll balls off the roof, and we're going to see if they go all the way to the edge of the ladder here. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Ooh, did that make it to the edge of the ladder?
No.
Now why don't you mark where that is? All right,
sure that's
let's
visible.
try again. It's probably not visible, but it ended up not even being close to the edge of the ladder. Try again. Oh, nope, didn't quite make it.
Wait, what about here?
Okay, try again. Ooh, you see how it's angling off the roof in a nice little arc, just like you drew on the board?
Yeah.
All right, one more, and then we'll switch kids on the roof and go from higher up. Oh, okay, so we're still pretty far away from the edge of the ladder. Okay, let's switch kids and try higher up on the roof. Okay, we're back. We're going to go from higher up off the roof. Now, do you think we're going to get to the end of the ladder here?
Maybe.
From high up?
Sorry.
There we go. Okay, let's see.
Watch out.
Move, step over there just a little bit. Let's see if we get to the end of the ladder, which is all the way over here. Did we get there?
Not quite. I'd say it was about here.
About there.
Oh, you got it.
Okay, roll down. Let's see if we get to the end of the ladder.
Dog.
Oh, did we get to the end of the ladder?
No.
Now, let's try one more time. Okay, so why do you think we're not getting to the end of the ladder? What's happening?
It's arcing.
It's arcing down, and what's making it arc down?
Gravity.
Gravity. Do you think we could learn about gravity by studying math a little bit?
Probably.
Probably. Or maybe should we go back and stand under the apple tree one more time?
Nah.
Nah. Okay. Good math video, guys. High five, everyone.
Air high five.
Air high five. Ball high five. All right. Good job.